So you've been assigned a research project where you need to make connections between an original text, like Gwendolyn Brooks' Annie Allen or Mary Shelley's Frankenstein, and scholarly research related to the themes, events, or ideas within those texts, and to present your findings in a polished research paper or presentation. Though research may sound a bit intimidating, it doesn't have to be overwhelming. In fact, it can be really exciting. Research allows us to explore different kinds of sources that we may have never looked at before, from historical artifacts and documents to research data from scientific studies. It asks us to make connections between a topic found in literature, such as the idea of utopia found and presented in Thomas More's Utopia, or the nature of technology as explored in Frankenstein, and our own lives or historical or current events. It also gives us an avenue to express our own analysis in conversation with ideas and findings from other scholars. Some notable steps in the research process will be selecting and brainstorming ideas about your original broad topic, creating a research question that will guide your more in-depth research, applying search strategies to search the library's catalog and specific databases, and examining sources for relevance and credibility, the connections between sources, and why they're useful or not to your research assignment. This video will focus on the first few steps, which will help you select a topic that you can research and eventually write about. First, you'll want to pick a general research topic. If you find yourself stuck here, take a moment to think about something that you know or care about that can inspire a research topic relevant to the course and the assignment. Have you read or watched something interesting lately? Did a particular passage, quote, or chapter from one of the course texts resonate with you? Do you see connections between your major and the course assigning this research project that you can explore in the research paper? For example, can you compare the theme of harnessing science in order to create Frankenstein's monster to notable historical or current examples, such as the rise and associated concerns with artificial intelligence? This example research topic will be used throughout this video series to demonstrate phases and processes involved in conducting research. Next, you can begin your background research to help you learn more about a possible research topic and one aspect of the broad topic you can focus on for the more in-depth research. As you conduct background research, you're looking for information that expands, confirms, or changes what you already know about the topic. You may want to focus on how other people talk about this topic, what disciplines they incorporate into their discussions of the topic, what they talk about most, different perspectives on the topic. Is there a consensus, or are there drastically different interpretations? Is this related to when the sources were written? The terminology used or aspects of this topic that are focused on. Can these help generate keyword terms to search for in the catalog? You can look to several resources to help at this preliminary background research stage. Many people start with a Google search or by exploring Wikipedia for information about a topic. But you may quickly encounter the challenge of determining if the source is credible, meaning you should trust its content or author. If it is an individual's blog, can you be sure that the content is correct and worth citing? Or would you need to find another source written by experts on your topic anyway to make an argument that a reader would trust? To save you time and effort during this early stage in the research process, you can instead look to information available from the Purdue libraries, which offers quick and convenient ways to determine if an encyclopedia entry, article, or book are credible or scholarly. You can use reference databases, organized collections of information that will provide short overviews on a given topic to learn more about your selected topic, identify aspects of the topic you may want to focus on, or find cited authors, articles, or books to look to for more information. In short, the library's databases and other resources will help you find reliable information written by experts on a range of topics to help you orient to a potential research topic. As you find more information about your research topic by conducting background research, your notes should reflect your updated understanding of the topic. Are there new aspects to the topic that you hadn't considered initially? Are there more examples or connections to related topics, or is there different evidence and perspectives to account for? You may wish to document what you find, where you find it, and how it relates to your topic using a template that can aggregate all of your notes and insights in one place. As you gain a fuller understanding of your topic through background research, you can formulate a research question that will guide your more extensive and in-depth research efforts. Unlike a research topic, which is stated broadly, a research question will be written in clear and succinct language, have an obvious target or subject, be arguable and situated in relevant scholarship, and be well scoped so it's not too broadly or too narrowly defined. Our example topic about the dangers of technology in Frankenstein is a good place to start, but you may need to more clearly or narrowly define this topic as a research question that will help readers see a purpose to the research paper and how it relates to other scholarship. You could use the insights gained from the background research you did to write a research question with a more specific focus. Once you have your research question, you can begin digging deeper into the scholarship around your topic by searching the Purdue Library's catalog or subject-oriented collections. To learn more about searching for materials from the Purdue Libraries, see the next video in this series. This video provided an overview to selecting a research topic and beginning to narrow it to a more researchable topic. For help with the initial stages in a research paper, please visit the Ask a Librarian webpage to chat or email a librarian.